Monroe and Lennon Show!
Hi, my name's Monroe.
Hi, my name's Lennon.
And we're going to be playing with slime today.
Yeah, so we're going to get our slime ready.
Bubbles with it, and I'm going to try trapping things in it. So I'm going to try these mini Hot Wheels first, a magnet second, and I'm going to put that magnet through and get it through, and then it'll do that. Then maybe even a monster truck. So first, let's do the mini cars. So I flatten it out, and I make bubbles, little holes I mean. Then I flip it, and then I do the same thing on the other side. And then I grab from the side, and make them, and then you let it fall down. And then I put it over the cars. Let's try it again. Now I'm going to do the magnet. Now I'm going to put the other magnet.
Ah! Lift it slow. Lift it slow. How far can it go? Oh my gosh. Oh! That's crazy. Is it still a bubble? You still have a bubble.
I'm going to do the monster truck. Oh, I did it!
Holy cow. Hold on. That's awesome. Look, it looks like it's in like a trophy case.
Monroe, you can trap him.
Oh no. That's awesome, huh? You did you get that on your first try?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I got an idea.
Does he have any metal on him, Monroe?
Who?
Your monster truck. Oh, nice. Oh, it's like coated him.
We're just letting it spread around.
That's awesome. Look at that. Weird. It's got like a slimy coating now. Here, try it. Grab the magnets and see if you can move him. Is he metal? No. No, it's plastic. So you're gonna trap the rock next? Do you think the rock wants to be trapped
No.
inside slime?
No, it feels like it's a giant alligator mouth. I got the rock from Jumanji. I knew I wasn't because the monster truck was right there.
Wait, what?
Oh, I think. Yeah.
It's trapping him right there. Thanks, my name's Monroe, and thank you for watching me play with slime today. Bye.